Did you know denied claims cost the healthcare industry around $262 billion every year? One of the biggest reasons isn't necessarily coding mistakes or billing errors, it's something much simpler. Providers don't always know a patient has active insurance. That's where insurance discovery comes into play. Insurance discovery is a tool that helps healthcare organizations find insurance coverage that patients may not have reported or even realized they had. Instead of relying only on the information collected during registration, insurance discovery searches for verified coverage across commercial, government, and third-party payers. Now, it's important to understand that this isn't the same thing as an eligibility check. Eligibility verification confirms coverage that a patient has already provided. Insurance discovery finds coverage you didn't know existed in the first place. And that difference can have a huge impact on your revenue cycle. Think of it this way. A patient comes into the emergency room department unconscious and gets registered as self-pay. Or maybe someone recently switched jobs, qualified for Medicare, or became eligible for Medicaid but never updated their records. If no one catches these changes, claims can be sent to the wrong payer or not sent to insurance at all. That often leads to claim denials, delayed reimbursement, bad debt, and unnecessary work for your billing team. So how does insurance discovery actually work? Most solutions follow 4 basic steps. First, patient demographic information is collected. Things like their name, date of birth, address, and other identifying information. Next, that information is searched against payer databases to identify potential insurance matches. If a match is found, the system performs an eligibility check to verify that the coverage is active and billable. Finally, if the patient has multiple insurance plans, the benefits are coordinated to determine which payer should be billed first. That helps prevent coordination of benefits denials before the claim is ever submitted. Many organizations don't just run insurance discovery once. They perform checks during scheduling, at the time of service, after treatment, and even on older self-pay accounts. That's because hidden coverage can surface weeks or even months after a patient visit. Of course, trying to do all of this manually would take an incredible amount of time. Staff would have to call insurance companies, log into multiple payer portals, and follow up with patients one account at a time. That's why many healthcare organizations automate the process. Insurance discovery software continuously scans accounts for missing coverage, performs real-time eligibility verification, and flags billable insurance automatically. Instead of your team manually reviewing every self-pay account, the software does the heavy lifting for you. The benefits continue to go far beyond saving time. Finding previously unknown insurance coverage helps recover revenue that might otherwise be lost or written off as bad debt. Claims are submitted to the correct payer the first time, reducing preventable denials and improving cash flow. Billing and registration teams spend less time on repetitive verification tasks and more time focused on higher value work. And perhaps most importantly, patients are less likely to receive unexpected bills for services their insurance should have covered. If you'd like to learn more about insurance discovery, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.